Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your body soften, letting your breath find a gentle, natural rhythm. Welcome to this space of self-love, healing, and inner confidence. This is your time, a peaceful moment just for you. Allow your eyes to close. With your next slow inhale, feel your body receiving calm. With your exhale, release anything heavy, anything tense. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold softly. Exhale through your mouth, letting your shoulders drop. Again, breathing in calm, breathing out tension. With every breath, feel yourself arriving fully into this moment, into your body, into your heart. Let your breath become slow and smooth, like gentle waves washing over the shore. Inhale, expanding. Exhale, softening. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light slowly melting downward. Unwinding your forehead, softening your eyebrows, releasing your jaw. Let this soft light travel down your neck, across your shoulders, dissolving the weight you've been carrying. Feel it moving down your arms, into your hands and fingertips, relaxing, loosening, releasing. Let the warm light flow through your chest, your heart center, bringing comfort, safety, and peace. Feel your belly relax, your lower back soften, your hips loosen and open gently. The light continues down your legs, your ankles, your feet, until your entire body is held in a warm, nurturing glow. You are safe. You are supported. You are held. Now, slowly bring your awareness to your heart, to the quiet space within your chest. Imagine placing a hand gently over your heart. Feel the warmth, the connection, the presence. In this space, notice whatever emotions are here. Peace, hope, maybe vulnerability. Maybe strength. Everything you feel is welcome. Everything you feel is human. Everything you feel is part of your healing. Allow a soft whisper to rise within you. I honor what I feel. I honor who I am. Let this truth settle inside you like a warm hug. Now visualize a soft pink light glowing in the center of your chest. Gentle, healing, unconditional. With every breath, this pink light grows warmer, brighter, radiating kindness, acceptance, compassion. This light represents self-love, a love that doesn't judge, doesn't rush, doesn't demand. A love that simply says, you are enough, just as you are. Let this pink light expand through your entire chest, filling your ribcage, warming your shoulders. Flowing into your belly, spreading through your arms and legs. And finally surrounding your whole body in a soft, glowing cocoon. You are wrapped in pure love. You are being gently reminded of your worth. Now imagine a small golden flame glowing right at the center of your being. Deep in your solar plexus, just above your navel. This golden flame is your inner power, your strength. Your confidence, your voice. Watch this flame grow brighter with every inhale, steady, strong, unwavering. See yourself standing tall in a beautiful open space, your shoulders relaxed, your chest open, your head lifted with grace. Feel the golden confidence light fill you from the inside out. It brings courage, trust, belief in your abilities. Belief in your future, belief in you. Let this golden light shine outward, touching the world gently. Let it remind you that your presence matters, your dreams matter. Your voice matters. You are powerful, even in quiet moments. You are strong, even when you feel unsure. You are worthy always. Now repeat softly in your mind or out loud if you wish. I trust myself. I believe in my path. I am doing my best. I choose to support myself. Feel these words land gently inside you. Feel them rewriting old stories. Feel them nourishing you from within. Let your inner voice become warm, kind, encouraging, like a friend who sees your potential even when you doubt it. You deserve tenderness. You deserve understanding. You deserve love, especially from yourself. Allow the following affirmations to sink deeply into your heart. Repeat the ones that resonate. I am enough exactly as I am. I deserve love, respect, and peace. I am safe to be myself. I trust my inner wisdom. I release self-doubt and welcome self-belief. I honor my emotions and hold space for my healing. I am growing stronger every day. My confidence is rising naturally and gently. I choose to love myself fully and without conditions. I am worthy of all the good that flows into my life. I believe in who I am becoming. I am proud of myself. I am enough. I have always been enough. Let each affirmation echo softly through your entire being. Take one more deep breath and allow your entire body to rest in the softness of this moment. Feel the lingering glow of the pink self-love light and the steady warmth of the golden confidence flame. Know that these energies stay within you. You can return to them anytime, simply by closing your eyes and breathing. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room, to the sounds around you, to the surface supporting your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders gently, and when you feel ready, open your eyes softly, carrying with you a renewed sense of love, strength, and confidence. You are worthy. You are powerful. You are deeply loved by the universe and by yourself.